So joining us now is Mike Vigeni. He's from Great Blue Research, and you guys are the official sponsors of the Champions Club. Tell us what the Champions Club is, where it is, and how it works.
Great. Good morning, Tim. Thanks for having me. Great Blue Champions Club is actually right outside the practice green. It overlooks the 18th green. We're excited. For us, it gives us an opportunity to meet other local businesses. It's a great opportunity, even if you're a smaller business, to come out and buy some one-day tickets, bring some clients out. There's all kinds of food and beverages inside of that tent, and it gives you a good opportunity to network. Just being in the tent for 15 minutes yesterday after the Pro-Am, I think I made 3 or 4 contacts just walking around and saying hello.
So again, you don't have to be a big corporation and buy a corporate tent, but you can get that level of hospitality if you are a small business owner, you want to bring 2 or 3 people in. So what kind of hospitality is in there? I've never actually been in one, man. I'm too low rent.
It's the same experience as the big hospitality tents, and you don't have to pay for the whole entire tent. So it's unlimited food and beverages of all kinds, non-alcoholic and alcoholic. There's lots of fruit and all kinds of stuff. It's covered. It's air conditioned. There's TVs inside, so you can see what's happening, what's going on inside of the tournament, and you can hang out and relax.
You had me at unlimited food. You realize this. But your business is you do market research essentially, but it's also very golf-centric. You're telling me about a couple products that people probably want to know out there if they're running a golf course or running tournaments.
Absolutely. So prior to our rebrand to Great Blue, we were the Center for Research. We're located right here in Connecticut. We work with a lot of the Connecticut utilities, a lot of Connecticut corporations, but we just recently, under the Great Blue brand, launched our 2 newest products, which is what we call GB Fairways, which is specific to golf courses, helping them make it through this difficult economy and better compete in a very competitive market. And then what's called the GB Tour product, which is specific to tour events like Travelers to better engage sponsors and fans and generate more revenue for the tournament, which ultimately leads to more revenue for our Connecticut charities.
And I was asking you right before we went on the air of an example for that. How do you engage people? You gave me a good example right off the top of your head.
So we have a QR code because specific for the tour, they don't want people walking around asking everybody questions and interfering with the experience. So we have a QR code. You scan that QR code, you take the survey at your leisure. We're giving away an iPad, a foursome to TPC, and one of a signed flag by our Great Blue sponsored Mark Wilson, tour player, who's playing here this week. We're very excited.
So how can people, real quick, you got about 30 seconds, how can people find out about the Champions Club and about Great Blue if they need to?
Travelers Championship website has everything they need. Jason Susi and Nathan Grube are great contacts. And to learn more about Great Blue, you can visit our website at greatblueresearch.com.
Great. Mike Vigeni from Great Blue Research. Thank you so much. Thanks for taking the time.
Thanks for having me.
Enjoy the tournament. By the way, he's a TPC member, so this guy knows the course pretty well. All right, that's it for now. We'll be back with Tom Yance, I believe, coming up in a couple of minutes.